And then yeah, just give the whole trailer a clean and get it ready for this weekend because we are going away. Hey yo, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gabe, aka Gibson. Hope you're all feeling fantastic. I am feeling incredible. The lens is a bit dirty. Anyway, I thought I'd do another video on the camper trailer because we are going away in exactly... Give me a sec, let me do the quick maths. So it's 3 days, 4 days. We are going away, staying 2 nights, going up to the river. Forgot what it's called, but it's past Renmark, so it's about 2.5 hour drive or 3.5, something like that. Anyway, I got to get the trailer ready because last time I went out, I took the camp trailer. Just give me a sec, there's cars everywhere just annoying me. But anyway, look, got the guards and the tyres actually ended up blowing up, grabbing the guards and bending them in. And long story short, they ended up doing both of them, basically coming back from the river, and yeah, so one tyre burst and then we had to obviously leave the trailer there on the side of the road, come back, grab tyres and rims that I had spare at the back, lucky, and then drive all that back to the river, put one on, replaced it. Then halfway home the other one ended up blowing up and doing exactly the same thing, so I had to change that one. Lucky I brought 2 tyres or 2 wheels. So yeah, I'm actually waiting on a phone call because I'm getting the old rims that were on here, the ones that blew up. I'm getting new tyres on those, so those are getting done right now as we speak. So another hour or something, they said, and they'll be ready to be picked up. So before they're ready, I've got to cut these guards off and I've got to bend them straight and then weld them back on. So it's gonna be another repair kind of video on the camper trailer. Stay tuned. Well, that's one fairing. So that is one fairing off. Man, it looks weird without it. Look at that. This damage though is pretty bad, so I'm going to try repair that. I'm going to take the other side off, repair those, get those back welded back on. And I've just got back from picking up these wheels as well. So brand new treads, ready to go back on the trailer, so it's going to be ready to go. And then after that, I think that's all I'm going to do. I think I've got to fix up the ladder for the camp, the roofed up tent, because I have broken that. And then yeah, just give the whole trailer a clean and get it ready for this weekend because we are going away. So I might be making a video about that. Give the video a thumbs up if you want to see that. Be going to the river, a lot of fishing, camping and whatnot. So yeah, alright, I'm going to get the other side off, clean them up, straighten them up, weld them back on, paint them, and then get the wheels on. And there is the second one. Right, so I've just come down to the back only because it's going to be really loud. I'm basically just going to use a timber and I've got to try and bend that back. So I think I'm just going to put you guys basically on a time lapse while I bash the living left. Oh, that lining's not really too well, is it? So there you have it. Still looks rough, but they are definitely better than what they were. I will eventually be buying new ones and replacing it, but for now I don't really have time because I'm going in like 3 days. and those days I'm pretty busy. So gonna get these welded on, paint them up, should look better than what it was anyway, and then get the new wheels on, and I think that's gonna be the end of the video because I'm running out of time, so I've got to quickly get these on, and I think I'll be doing the ladder tomorrow for the camper trailer if I've got time, but if not, then we'll just fly up there. So there you have it. It definitely is better than what it was. At least now I'll be confident driving without the tyre getting caught. So yeah, time to do the other side, last side, and then I can put those new tyres on. And then I'll probably give the whole thing a wash, clear out the base or inside the trailer, whatever you want to call it. And then I think that's it. I'm gonna go pack it up and just sit back and get excited for this weekend. Yeah, this weekend, so 3-4 days or something like that. Going camping. So stay tuned, there's gonna be videos coming out. Hopefully, yeah, we'll see how we go. But camper trailer's coming along, guys. So there you have it. The other one is officially done. Look at that. Way better than what it was after the accident, obviously, not before the accident. But anyway, I'm going to jack up the trailer, get those new wheels on, and then I think that's going to be a wrap. I might tidy up that, or I might just leave it for tomorrow. So cool, let's get these new tyres on and see what it looks like. Alright, so there you have it. Both tyres, new wheels slash tyres, whatever, both on. And that's just gonna be the end of the video, I think. I'm just gonna pack it away, and I think tomorrow I'll drop in and clean it all up and start packing it for start packing it for the camping trip in a couple of days. So stick around, there's gonna be a video on that coming, I'm pretty sure, so should be fun, should be cool. Alright, no worries. Well guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Got it parked up. I'll be coming back probably tomorrow or the next day after that, just to clean it out, give it a wash, pack it up, get it ready for a camper trip. Make sure the battery's charged and just do your general maintenance on it right before we leave for the big trip. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more repairs and, you know, add more things to the camper trailer, let me know down in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, join the family, smash that subscribe button. Let's hit 200 before the end of the year. Come on, we can do that. Easy, boys. Come on, let's get it. Yeah, smash that like button. Till next time.